Are you ready to learn another character?
船
It's written with 11 strokes.
撇撇横折钩点提点撇横折弯竖横折横
Let's look at how this character breaks down. In this character, you see the boat radical.
舟
Let's look at some examples.
划船帆船
Here's a character that looks similar. Pay attention to the differences. You can learn everything there is to know about this character in the Train Chinese iOS and Android apps and on trainchinese.com. See you there.